Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play 3 drums. Start by ensuring your drum kit is set up ergonomically. The snare drum should be centered, about 1 arm's length away. Your bass drum pedal needs to be easily accessible for your dominant foot, allowing for smooth, consistent strokes. Position your 2 tom-toms, one to your left and one to your right, so you can strike them without stretching. This foundational setup is crucial for developing good technique and comfort as you learn to play. Now, let's build a fundamental rhythm using your bass and snare drums. Begin by playing a steady 4-count beat on the bass drum, 1 beat per count. Once comfortable, add the snare drum on counts 2 and 4. This creates a classic boom-chick pattern. Focus on keeping your strokes even and your timing precise. This 2-drum foundation is essential for all drumming styles. With your bass and snare rhythm established, it's time to bring in the tom-toms. Try playing a basic beat, then on the 4th count, move from your snare to your high tom, then to your low tom, creating a simple fill. The high tom offers a brighter, higher pitch, while the low tom provides a deeper, resonant sound. Focus on making your transitions fluid and musical, exploring different combinations to add texture to your drumming. Now, let's integrate all 3 drums into a complete beat. Start with your basic bass and snare pattern, then strategically add tom-tom accents or fills. Experiment with dynamics, playing some sections softly and others with more power. The goal is to create a cohesive and engaging rhythm using all 3 drums. Practice regularly to develop your coordination and discover your own unique drumming voice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.